General tips on what to consider when looking for a high-quality pre-built gaming PC. GPU and CPU, the graphics card and processors are crucial for gaming performance. Look for a PC with a powerful and current generation GPU and CPU to ensure smooth gameplay. RAM, a minimum of 16 GB of RAM is recommended for modern gaming. Some high-end games and multitasking scenarios might benefit from 32 GB. Storage, an SSD, solid-state drive, as the primary storage is important for fast loading times and system responsiveness. Additional HDD storage can be used for games and media files. Cooling, adequate cooling is essential to prevent overheating, especially during intensive gaming sessions. Look for systems with good cooling solutions. Connectivity, ensure the PC has a variety of ports, including USB, audio, and video outputs, to accommodate your peripherals and accessories. Upgradability, while pre-built PCs often come fully assembled, it's beneficial if the system allows for future component upgrades, such as GPU and RAM upgrades. Reviews and ratings, look for reviews and user ratings from reputable sources to get an idea of the PC's performance, build quality, and customer satisfaction. Warranty and support, check the warranty and customer support options provided by the manufacturer or retailer. To find the best pre-built gaming PC in 2023, I recommend checking out recent reviews and comparisons from tech websites, forums, and YouTube channels that specialize in gaming and hardware.